Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the fastest way to make money online with Clickbank without a website, specifically for beginners. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing and how to make money online and how to make money from home. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. If you're brand new, fastest way to make money is with solo ads, because what it's going to do is allow you to make upfront sales, possibly, but the main objective is to build an email list. And the way you're going to do that is with solo ads. What are solo ads? Solo ads are a paid traffic source where you use another person's email list to promote your offers. So you have this marketer that has this list of subscribers, and you're going to send your offer out to their list. And there's certain things that you want to look for because you really want to know what you're doing. But the great part about it is you can start with a very small amount of money. So let's say you want to just get 50 clicks, 50 visitors, or 100 clicks. You can pay as little as like 40 cents a click. So it's real cost effective if you're just starting out, and you can test out certain vendors. But what you can do is go to Facebook and search solo ad testimonials. And then you can join some groups. So you can see right here, people will post their results from certain sellers, and then what you're going to do is look for 4 things in these testimonials. Do they offer over delivery? You want to have at least 10% over delivery to their customers. What are their opt-in rates? You want at least 30% opt-in rate. Okay, and then you want to pay attention to what tier it is. You want it from top tier countries, because, and you don't want less than 85% of top tier countries, because if you don't have top tier, you're going to get countries that don't have website or credit cards, and they're not going to be able to buy. So that's important. And do you see sales in the testimonials? Because if you do, then they have a buyer's list, and that's a good vendor right there. Number 4. That's number 4. Okay, sales in the testimonials, and you make sure that they don't have fake profiles. Okay, and then you can contact the vendor on Facebook, and these are some questions you want to ask. What sub-niche or niche are they in? You want to look at their website and see what their packages and the testimonials are on their website. How long does it take them to deliver the clicks? If it's right away, that's a red flag, because it means that they don't have many orders, which means that they're not a very good supplier. So you want it to be like 2 to 3 days. And then how long does it actually take them to deliver the clicks once you've purchased the solo ad? 1 to 2 days is good for it to all be delivered. And also, do they offer a guaranteed opt-in rate? That's important. So besides Facebook, you can also use a website called Udemy. And I'm going to leave a link below the video in the description. If you want to go to Udemy, you can create a free account. But what you would do here is you would go to forum, scroll down on the left hand side, do the Udemy Hall of Fame. You want to not look at the buyers, you want to scroll down to the sellers. But one thing you want to keep in mind is that you do not want, like let's say this person was also on the buyer's list. You don't want to do that. Okay, you want them just to be sellers. So this person is not, I know this is a good person to buy from here, but you can go through these here and look at the criteria over here and ask, make sure that they fit this criteria. So what you're going to do then is you're going to buy the solo ad. Again, it can be as little as 50 cents a click, and you can just start out with like 100 clicks. And what you're going to do is send them to your opt-in page. Okay, you want to have an opt-in page. You don't want to send them directly to your affiliate link in your Clickbank offer, because you're going to be building an email list. You may get some sales up front, But the whole goal of the solo ads is to build your email list, because you're going to be sending that offer out to them in various different emails, and most people don't buy on the first exposure. It takes a little bit of time, so that's a way you can follow up with them and make the sales on the back end. So that's the fastest way to make money online with Clickbank without a website. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and again, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you want to learn my #1 recommendation to making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. And again, I'm going to leave a link for Udemy if you want to check out that website. So with that being said, that's it for this video. It's Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.